This is a tomato. This is a bunch of tomatoes.
And this is a tomato forest. As you see, these tomatoes aren't growing in the field, but indoors without soil, and they are all thriving under all-weather, full-process digital management. Today, I'm here to explore the smart technologies inside this giant garden and find out how this enterprise sees its future prospects as China advances high-quality development.
The Cuihu Intelligent Agricultural Innovation Plant was established in Beijing in 2021, covering an area of about 58 hectares. Here we are at a 100,000 square meter multi-span constant temperature greenhouse of its first phase project, the largest of its kind in the Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei region. Li Shushan, the production director of the plant, came to the greenhouse this morning to check how the tomatoes are growing.
咱们的番茄长在是一种叫椰糠的椰子壳打碎之后形成的一种基质当中固定根系，这样呢比传统的栽培模式能够达到节水节肥50%以上，另外起到一个环境保护的作用。就是您看咱这个秧子从上往下，而且一直在盘延的，生长季能达到10个月，采收季呢能达到8个月，这个秧子呢最长可以达到14-15米。所有的设施设备都是通过咱们的中控电脑来完成，我就随时可以去观察和调控我温室的生产状况。
Inside the intelligent greenhouse, the tomato output is 3 to 5 times that made in the traditional way. By the end of March, the daily output here can reach 10 to 15 tons.
疫情之后呢，咱们市场复苏非常的明显，尤其是消费者对这种高品质果蔬的这个需求非常的强烈，所以呢，我们也是有计划在今年启动我们2期联动温室的建设。
Since the establishment of the smart facilities, Li says that the company has received much policy support from the government, and the country promotes high-quality agricultural development.
我们得到了北京市各级政府大力的支持，这些政策呢，都为我们企业未来的发展增强了信心。 农业强国是社会主义现代化强国的根基，推进农业现代化是实现高质量发展的必然要求。未来呢，我们将围绕高效设施的设计、数字化技术的集成应用等方面开展技术创新，促进咱们传统设施农业的提档升级。
With innovation and policy support, new agricultural production models like what we see here have continued to emerge in China, meeting the growing needs of residents for fresh fruits and vegetables, regardless of time and space.